running from white and trying to strike my car.
Cruising down Main Street. Remember this gray car?
A few moments later.
He notices me and switches into my lane. Flashes his lights at me. I thought he wanted me to move, so I switched lanes. And he switches lanes with me. Now I'm on point because why did he do that? Maybe he didn't see the right lane was blocked. A couple blocks down, he is still behind me. Now he turns his lights on during the daytime? I'm getting really suspicious now. We are the only two cars and he won't pass me. I continue cruising though. I switch lanes to see if he will follow. He indeed does. My thing is, why is he just keeping his distance, watching from afar? I start thinking about what to do to confirm if he is following me. Perfect opportunity right here. I can't go too crazy because cops are always lurking. I look back and he is still behind me. Now I have to change my route because he's definitely following me. Makes the same 3-lane cut as me and he cuts off a car. Getting on the highway so I have room to outrun him. He is signaling to merge to another direction, thankfully. He fakes out the merge and keeps coming my way.
Bitch, I see what you did there.
Taking the first exit because he isn't even close enough to see me. Thinking I was able to shake him until... I see him racing up behind me. Pulling up to a red light and he's still racing up behind me.
What you doing, man? Get the fuck from behind me. See, hell, get the fuck from behind me. What y'all doing?
A tunnel is coming up. Maybe I can scare him back. He finally backs up a little bit. I think he finally gave up. Let's take the first right and see if he follows.